how to fix Valorant graphics card problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here updates, then click check for updates, and after that just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then go back, and now right click, first open file, just open Riot Games folder, and if you can't find it, just right click on Valorant, open file location, click here to go back, and now Valorant, and here we'll find it. Now live shooter game, binaries, and then here we'll find Windows 64, click on it and then scroll down until you find here Valorant, right click on it and click properties, compatibility mode, and here's it. You will find it like that. Enable run this program as an administrator, and then run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, apply and OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.